Today is International Overdose Awareness Day. Here in Jessamine County, we have lost too many parents, siblings, friends, and loved ones to overdose death.
But an overdose doesn't have to be the end. It could be the beginning of hope for someone. If someone you know is at risk for a narcotic overdose, consider carrying Narcan. You might just save a life.
I carry Narcan because I care.
We carry because we 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 care.
Narcan is available to anyone in the community, no questions asked. You can come see us at the Jessamine County Health Department for training and free Narcan kit whenever our doors are open.
Narcan saves lives. I'm living proof.
Overdose was not the end of my story.
It was the start of a new story for me.
It was the start of a new story for me.
Narcan saved my life.
Narcan saved my life.